Do you think that there's ongoing trend in the services like yours where everything is shifting towards the data management in the first place as an offering to be foundational for everything else before you even start engaging with these accounts, right? Of course, there are some small accounts that have some tactical questions
Mhm.
or problems that can be solved. I get it, but I think as a critical element of your offering, the data management comes first. So you need to build that infrastructure, ensuring that all of that is having some level of connectivity before you start building all the other tactical things in a very optimized and efficient way. Do you think that that is a trend, or that will be a trend in the future in your category?
It's kind of already baked in for what we do. The team would be remiss if I didn't talk about the amount of audits they have to do in a given week just within CRMs. So then they can get an idea of like, what does their data management look like? How are automations involved? How many like lists and forms and all of this kind of stuff have you already created that's flowing information into the system as well as other integrations? It's kind of at the core of what we do without us actually being like, here is our data management service offering, because it does, like you said, really go into everything else that we have to do. So it's kind of already there. We just don't really like call it out as like a particular thing.
Yeah, I
Mhm.
mean, it feels like when you go to the customer, you say, "Hey, you need to just implement this whole data management system." It's gonna be a long journey here, right? Don't you feel like they're gonna get scared a little bit, and that might just put you away from the customer or that prospect for another 12, 18 months?
Yeah, I think it happens, but you identify areas for quick wins as well, right? And really build that value and try to make it not a scary thing and more of an approachable journey that is critical for the foundation for growth. If you go back to like the first couple of seconds when I sort of talked about what Newbury does, it's that build, grow, scale. And really build is absolutely key, but we'll assess, and some organizations have a beautiful foundation and we're like, that's great. Like, here's some suggestions on how we can refine it, but like, let's stay focused on really this growth challenge and outcome that you're looking to achieve. And that really helps.